I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. This is the latest information that we have from the National Hurricane Center that came in after 8 o'clock here on Tuesday night, and they're now increasing the chances that this system that's now moving into the Gulf of Mexico will become at least a tropical depression or a tropical storm. They're giving this a 90% chance of development over the next 2 days and a 90% chance of development over the next 5 days. And if it becomes a tropical storm, it would be named Barry. Right now, the center of the storm, this is based on the Tuesday evening forecast here. It is just into the Gulf of Mexico, right there in the Big Bend region here of the Gulf. And it's expected to continue moving here over water. And this is where we're going to see it potentially develop into a tropical depression or a tropical storm. And it's going to move over toward the west. So here's the latest that we have with the spaghetti models. This is all the model data that we get in right here. And when you look at this, you don't look at the outliers. You really look at the consensus here, which shows this moving through the Gulf of Mexico and then curving northward, most likely through Louisiana, maybe right there on the Texas border as well, the Texas line. So that's the track that we're watching right now. But of course, this could change a lot. What's going to happen is they're sending an Air Force reconnaissance plane into the storm tomorrow, or during the day on Wednesday, and that's going to give us a better idea of how it's developing, and we'll be refining the strength of the storm as well as the track of the storm when we get that new data in. Here's the latest that we have based on our computer models. This is the American model showing that low in the Gulf, and you can see that during the day on Thursday, it's going to keep moving on over toward the west. And even though we're not going to have a direct impact from this storm, it is going to have some impact on us as we see the southerly flow sending some Gulf moisture our way. So that's going to just enhance our rain chances for Thursday. More scattered showers that we expect to be in the area on Thursday. Then on Friday, the storm moves up close to Louisiana, most likely moving in these areas on Friday or on Saturday. This is Saturday at 5. It's going to be a slow mover. And then moving northward here, potentially through Louisiana, right there on the Louisiana and Texas line. And again, we're on the side of the storm that it will still bring some moisture our way, but we really think that heaviest rain is going to be along the Gulf Coast region, and we'll have some showers here. In fact, here's what we're watching. Look at these major rainfall amounts for the end of the week and through the weekend through Louisiana. And also the Mississippi River is going to have some sharp rises in the water levels there due to some storm surge. But the heaviest amounts into Mississippi, here in Atlanta, we'll see 1 to 2, maybe some pockets with more than 2 inches of rain. Again, thanks to that enhanced moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. So we have a lot to watch. This is going to be changing once we get new data in on Wednesday. So we'll keep watching the strength of the system and also the specific track of the system as to whether or not we'll have many impacts here. So watch 11 Alive for more. The Storm Trackers will keep updating you on 11alive.com, on Facebook and Twitter, and right here on 11 Alive News.